First of all, I was treasurer from 71 to 82, 83 to 86, chairman, secretary up to 2002. Then in 2015, they took me back into the chairman. So I done chairman for 2 years, and then Philip Jr., who's the present chairman, took over from me. Now we come to our third generation, is Dara, and he's taken a lot to do with the club. Young blood, 25 years of age, which is very, very hard to get nowadays.
I think back to where I started in terms of getting involved in the club. Obviously I played when I was younger. I didn't have much football skill myself, so it sort of ruled me out as being a senior player in that way. But I was helping my dad out with the coaching. One of the days we were going up, I think, to a senior game, and my granddad says, "Look, I think there's a role for you there in the committee. We'd love you to, join in and come on board as assistant secretary." And from then, I haven't really looked back since. It's hard to think what life would be like without the GAA because it's always been there. There's no ill intentions about the GAA. It's there to be a part of the community. It's there to really have a good impact on young people. It's there as a place for people to go and get out of the house, and that's what St Paul's have been for the past 50 years. We're in a very good place at the minute. We have lovely facilities. We have a very good cohort of people. We have good underage teams coming through. I mean, if we continue doing what we're doing now for the next 50 years, I'd be very happy because we've been having a real impact on the community. When I think back to my granny and granda and what they've passed on to their children and subsequently passed on to the likes of myself and my cousins, and it's a credit to them and it's a credit to the whole family, so it's nice to see that recognition. Like, my granda there was asking me, he had done 50 years service in the club. The club's obviously 50 years old. And I was thinking myself, like, what kind of recognition can you get? And next thing you know, the Dermot Early Award comes along. You can't think of anything better than that kind of recognition for a life well served in the GAA.
Chad, the Dermot Early Family Award goes to the Mallon family from County Armagh. Seamar sin, so comhghairdeas ó chrí leis an glann agus más féidir leis an Uachtaráin mé ligean isteach. I gcóir second, took me Saulan, so if I can get Philip Senior and Pat to make their way over to me here for a moment. Thank you very much. Comhghairdeas, congratulations. What a night. Tell us a little bit about the club and about how important the family and the community has been.
I just can't believe that we're here tonight, and just to thank the President and everyone involved for this great honour. We belong to St Paul's probably from the formation of it, and Philip was one of the founder members. I got the job of washing the jerseys and looking after the young ones. I also managed the under-10s at one stage, and they would come knocking at the door on a Saturday morning, "Mrs, am I on the team?" And you just had to sort of try and put everybody on the team.